Have you ever wondered how software is tested before it reaches you? Let's delve into this fascinating world of software testing. Imagine software as a multi-story building. Just like architects and engineers inspect every corner of a building before it's open to the public, software testers do the same with software. Software testing is a process, a methodical one, where testers check if the software works as expected, if it's user-friendly, secure, and efficient. Essentially, they ensure that the software is ready for its final destination, the end user. It's an essential step in the software development process, ensuring quality, reliability, and performance. But here's the interesting part. There's not just one way to test software. Just like there are different types of buildings, residential, commercial, industrial, there are different types of software testing. Each type has its own purpose and method. So, now that we have a basic understanding of what software testing is, we can delve into the different types of software testing. There are several types of software testing, each with its unique focus and purpose. Our first stop in this exploration is unit testing. Imagine you're trying to create a perfect dish. Wouldn't it be wise to first ensure that each individual ingredient is fresh and of top-notch quality? That's exactly what unit testing does in the realm of software development. It focuses on verifying the functionality of individual components of the software. It's like a quality check for each line of code, each function, and each module. By isolating each part and testing it independently, we can catch bugs early and rectify them, ensuring that every ingredient in our software dish is as it should be. Next, we move on to integration testing. Now that we've ensured the quality of our ingredients, it's time to see how they work together. Do the flavors blend well? In the same vein, integration testing checks how different components of the software work together. It's all about making sure that the combined parts function as expected. It's like tasting the dish after mixing the ingredients and adjusting the seasoning if needed. Integration testing helps us ensure a smooth, bug-free interaction between different software modules. These two types of testing are fundamental in the early stages of software development, but there's more to it. Let's continue. Continuing from where we left off, let's look at two more types of software testing: system testing and acceptance testing, each with their unique objectives and importance in the software development lifecycle. System testing is where we examine the software as an entirety. Think of it as a holistic approach, where the software is tested in different environments, under various conditions, to ensure it functions correctly. It's like a final rehearsal before the grand show, allowing us to identify and rectify any hidden bugs or issues. Now, let's shift our focus to acceptance testing. This is the phase where we verify if the software meets the user's requirements and expectations. It's like giving a test drive to a new car before making the purchase decision. We want to ensure that the software fulfills its intended purpose and the user interface is intuitive and user-friendly. In essence, system testing and acceptance testing are like two sides of the same coin. While system testing ensures the software works in different environments, acceptance testing ensures it meets the end user's needs and expectations. These types of testing help ensure that the software works as expected and meets user requirements. But before we wrap up, let's summarize what we've learned. Let's take a moment to summarize the key points we've discussed. Software testing, as we've seen, is a pivotal process in the software development lifecycle. Its main purpose is to identify and fix bugs, ensuring that the software works as intended and meets user expectations. We've explored four primary types of software testing. First, unit testing, which checks individual components or units of software. Next, integration testing, where these units are combined and tested as a group. Then, system testing, where the entire system is tested to validate that it meets specified requirements. Lastly, acceptance testing, where the system is tested for usability, functionality, and compatibility, ensuring it is ready for delivery to the end user. Each type of testing plays a unique role, contributing to the overall goal of delivering a smooth-running, user-friendly software. Remember, Software testing is a crucial step in creating reliable and efficient software. So the next time you use an app or a software, remember the meticulous testing that went into it. Thank you for watching.